Alright, good morning everyone. My name is Emmanuel Nibili and I'm a student at web3bridge Academy, and I'm going to be giving you a review of what I learned, what was taught this week. So actually was from dApps to smart contracts to the EVM and also to smart contracts again. Now on dApps we talked about how you can create a tab, how you create a UI, a front end, and how you connect your front end to your smart contracts. We talk about some pretty cool tools you can use on your dApp, like graph. Talk about the graph. Graph is just like a way, just like in web2, that you can work on stuff and you can emit events of things you are doing on your website. In smart contracts, we also have events and we also have ways of emitting it. And graph came to make things better for us. Talk about reference type. We have array. Array is a reference type because when you are making some array, when you want to, array is a reference type because it's a kind of a location you can store stuff inside, and you can reference to an array. Yes, you can reference to an array and get data from an array. Also struct. So we have what we call struct. Struct is just like a way of it's just like a storage, like a way of putting data and getting those data from your struct. Mapping, this is a reference type, although mapping is a key value pair type. So when you talk about mapping, you're mapping this to this, you're referencing this to this. So that's when you talk about that's when mapping comes in. I will also talk about that in this sample. And reading and getting from memory also. Also talking about difference between memory, core data, and storage. Memory in smart contracts. In smart contracts, there are different ways of storing your data. Yes, there are different ways of storing data. We have memory. Memory is short-lived. In other words, it's used for a short period of time. What you want to use it for, what the first one executes, it's done. It is done. That's when you talk about memory. You understand? And memory is a local storage that is available to every function on a contract. It can also relate with storage. Storage is like a permanent storage is used for permanent location, like permanent storage. When you talk about storage, you store those things permanently that you use for contracts. Example, struct, you store it permanently, and you can use memory to read from that storage and also update the storage. So it's and when you are doing that, it's not so much gas expensive. But when you are trying to read and write from storage and update the storage directly, it is very expensive. And believe me, in Solidity, you really want to be careful when it comes to gas. You really want to optimize and do your code in a way that it optimizes gas. To talk about the tools, the tools you can use to write some smart contracts. We have Foundry, we have Adat, we have Truffle, we have Get, we have Remix ID, which is what we are currently using at the moment. And we also did basic setup. We installed Foundry, we installed Adat and the likes. And when I was talking about Remix ID, this is how the interface looks like. This is where you write your code. This is where you compile. This is where you compile your code. And this is also where you deploy your code and test it. Now this code is deployed, I can test it, the function, if they are working. And I think I will stop here. On my next review, I'm going to try as much as possible to make it brief and more detailed, more than this. So I'll stop here. Okay, so thank you.